Hey guys, what is up? It is me, Oleg the Bosses. As you guys can see, I do have Microsoft Visual C++ 2000 Express opened. It probably you probably see the title of this video. And yes, we are going to start a new thing, and we are going to finish the series. I know I didn't finish Java series or anything because I really don't like Java that much. It's very, very difficult to explain. Um, oh, whatever. Sorry. Jordan has a period, or sorry, not period. He's going through a stage of life where he wants to be something that is bizarre. He is a voice actor, so that's what he wants to do. I mean, I guess that's his life. I really don't care, but I don't know if we're gonna stop recording, but his channel is still gonna be featured in my channel. But that's not the point. I don't know why I'm talking about him. The point is today we're gonna program with C++. You need to download Visual C++ 2010. I don't know if there's 2013 or not, so let me see.
User disconnected from your channel.
Sorry about that, guys. Somebody left. Oh yeah, Josh left. Yeah. So, yeah. Okay, sorry. I was just testing something. Yeah, so you need to download it. I'll put a download link in the description. I don't see it from there, but I downloaded it because I like C++. It's an old school language. So we're going to do some little programming today in this video. But first is introductions, not introduction, but telling you when I code what this actually means. Some codes I just code from it. I really don't know what exactly it means, so we might research it. But I know from my knowledge, I remember that from learning it. Yes, I did learn this more about it, just to have basic knowledge of it. So yeah. So after you download it, you open it up. I have a 2010, so it would be easier if you had a 2010, so you can follow along, so it'd be easier. So first things first, you're gonna open it up. I already did. You just search in C++. And I'm actually gonna just drag it to my pin so we can have a video tutorial, so we can actually. What the hell? There you go. So I pinned it, or you can just do right click, and there should be a pin, which mine's already there. Just don't. I have start menu because I have this thing. Oh yeah, I hate Windows 8. I mean not Windows 8. Internet Explorer. I got so much. I think I have virus on that thing so bad. All right, well let's get to the recording part. We're gonna close out Steam. We don't need that today. Okay, so you open it up. You go to new project. Actually, before we open a new project, we're going to do a go to your tools, I believe. Options. Yep. Okay. Yeah. Options. Project and solutions. We're going to change this project into a folder that I already created, which is right here. C++ project. Select world. Not world. I was just reading hello world. Select that folder. It'll save everything there. I created that, so you just create whatever you want to save it to. You can leave these alone. And then check this. Always show error list building on errors. You want to check that. And then go to your text editor. Push that down. Go to C++. Push that down. Oh yeah, line numbers. There you go. Push OK, so we can have line numbers in your C++, so you can follow along easily and know where I'm actually coding it. So yeah, let's see here. So you got that running up and running. I'm just looking through my to-do list of some more organized. So now we can go to new project, and it's gonna save it where we have a default. You don't have to keep browsing it. So, and we're not doing any of these. You're not doing any of these. You're going to do Windows 32. You're going to pick the first one. or it says one of the 32 console application. That's my first one. I don't know what your first one is, but mine is. So enter a name. I'm just gonna say, let's say chapter 1. Let's just do that. Okay. Solution, I'm gonna change that to chapter. Oops. Sorry. There you go. Solution. Keep that on for the direction for selection. Push OK. Now this is the important part. Do not, I repeat, do not push finish. If you push finish without this instruction, you're going to have code in there automatically, or files. It's going to be a pain in the ass, and it's not going to run your program correct. So you're going to push next, and you're going to empty the project, so everything's empty and clear. Because this video is just a tutorial of the basic C++. I'm going to type basic coding and everything. No game, not this tutorial, I mean, not this video, but it will be in other videos of the chapters. Yeah, I'll show you how to make an app or slash app for like a device, okay, or a game. Not a very 3D game because C++ is old school, like I said. So let's just get back into it. Just push finish. All right, so it should. Okay, that's weird. Finish, come on. Okay, so here we go. Yours should just look like this. I've never seen that before, but I guess it's fine. External dependence, you don't need to know about the file. Header files is just what reads first. Resource files is everything you get. Okay, so let's see, pictures, images, etc. That's your resource file. Then we're not going to worry about that today. Source file, this is where all your main coding that will run. Like when you do debug, alright. So we're going to do right click and push add, new item. You're going to go to code, you're going to C++, and I'm just going to name it chapter 1. And push add. And this should open this up, and as you can see it says number 1. Okay. So we're in the chapter 1 source file of our basic main coding where we put our code. And the first thing I like to do is I like to put comment so I know what I'm reading, what it's going to be. So this is what a comment is when you do // So if you're basic with basic programming, you're going to know this stuff. So you can skip along, or you can just enjoy my sexy voice. No, I'm just kidding. But that'd be kind of creepy if you did, but I don't care. So yeah, so you can do //. We're just going to do, oh crap, where's my freaking bell phone? Okay, so you do chapter. I'm just going to put chapter 1 because we're on chapter 1, and we're just going to learn about, okay, we're about calculating, okay, calculate and display the, like, we're going to do a weekly pay since I have a job that kind of does that. Think of a register, cash register, right? Or think about somebody working, right? So if they have their current pay and they have their raise rate, so then you like you put their current weekly pay and then you put their raise rate, and it's gonna be, we're gonna make it so the current pay is gonna times the raise rate, and it's gonna equal new pay equals raise rate plus current pay. And it's going to display the new pay of the whatever you put. Okay, so we just have a comment here. We're just going to put calculates and displays the new weekly pay. Oops, not play. Okay, and this push enter again. And I'm just going to put created by Oleg. I like being organized. I don't know. I just really like. Okay, now just push enter twice. So on the 4th line. And this is you have to have this in your code, okay? Or it's not going to run properly. Is you put a hashtag. I learned this, and you push include. And you put, we're going to use iOS stream. There it is. Oops. Okay. So I kind of not remember what this actually means, the definition for you guys. But I just remember you gotta put that, and that's just stuck in my head that you put that at the beginning. So I don't think there is anything I could tell you. Let me see. Okay, so that we're just gonna leave that alone. Just follow along. If you actually know, you know. But I just know I have to use include, and I'm putting iOS string because that's what I'm gonna display. Try. Okay, so now we can put using. This is kind of like think of a plugin. It's gonna use this to calculate it. So in std, and you're gonna put out cout. That means coot. It's gonna cout and cin is gonna cout is what you're gonna see. Cin is what like okay. Cout is what you write. Yeah, cout is what you put in, and cin is what you see the result. I think that's what it is. I get those mixed up, but we're gonna use that using std cin, and then that. Oops. There you go. And then using, we're using inline. Make sure you put end and L. Not one, it's an L. Okay. And then you push double enter, so I'm on the 10th, and put INT. Okay, this is enter. I don't remember, but it's something, something, something. You'll learn while I go on, because today is Friday. I just got spring break next week, and I'm tired as hell. I had to get finals and everything done, okay? And I just felt like, you know what, I'm just going to show a tutorial of C++ because I enjoy it. So I am. So, next tutorial, we're going to read through this code, and I'm going to tell you everything it means. But this tutorial is just showing you the basic of the knowledge of C++ code. So, we're going to resume and put main. You can put close and bracket. You're going to leave that alone. Open the bracket, and you push. I'm going to put declare. What the hell? D-E-C-L-R, yeah, declare. Variables. I can't spell it. See, I'm tired. Okay. So, now, we're going to declare the variables by just like everything you do, you're going to put at least 0, 0 when you put equals. When you're declaring a variable, you're not going to do, but you have to write double though. It's going to double it. It's not really doubling it, so it's just like, see, like double current pay equals 0, 0.0. Okay. And I'm not going to explain today again. It's just a lot of meaning, and I'm going to break it down and put it in a Word document so I can just read it while you guys read it too. Yeah. So you can put double again, raise, because I told you guys we're going to do it at current, and then raise rate, and then raise, and then new pay. But everything, it has to be double. It doesn't have to be, but for this thing to work, it has to be double. Yeah, actually, we're going to be organized 0, 0.0. What the front door? There we go. And then double, we're going to put a raise. Yep, 0, 0.0. And then we're going to put double. What did I say, remember? New pay. There you go. And you do have to capitalize the second word if you do like that. 0, 0. Okay, so double enter again. And this is where we're going to put our input. So enter input items. Again, that's a comma. Here's a cout. And it's the... And we're going to put enter the current For a second I thought I spelled enter wrong. I was like, I'm tripping or something. I was like, whoa. So weekly pay, and then that. So, actually, you do this. Ooh, shit. There. And then you close it off. Okay. The reason I did this, where is it? This right there, and then close it, and then you're probably like, weren't you supposed to put it over there or something? No, because this is what it's going to display. Oh, yes, yeah, see, it's going to display it. And then CN is what you put in. There we go, there we go, there we go. Okay, so, see, when I code, I just, like, know what I'm coding because I just remember it. Okay, so, it's going to say enter currently weekly pay, and it's going to be organized because it's going to have this thing. Okay, it's going to be, like, realistic, like, it's going to be, like, oh, you enter here. But this doesn't do anything, it's just, you'll see in the code later on. So now you just push enter, and this is where you do C-I-N, okay? And you're going to do this way, so because, yeah, it does. And then you do current pay. You got to calculate just like that, like we did up here. It's going to read this. Okay. Oh, yeah, that's right. That's why you put 0, 0, because if you put this, let's say 3, it's going to read 3. So if you put display, it's going to times that and then times another thing. Or it's going to read 3 automatically if you put in input stuff. So it's just going to have a lot of errors if you do that. See out that you're going to enter the raise rate. And then that, boom. Okay, and then you do CN raise rate. There you go. Okay. Now, something wrong here? Oh, there we go. That's the wrong less than or greater sign thing. This is where we calculate. So you type in /calc. You don't have to write this, but I like to because I know what I'm reading. If I go through that in the code line, new pay. So we're going to calculate. So he's going to do raise equals current pay times. You do shift 8 is times raise rate that, and then new pay equals raise plus current pay. Okay. So now we want to display it, the thing that we're putting in, it's calculating for you, and so you see out new pay, and you're going to do new pay NL, and then we're going to close everything off here, return 0, and then boom, end of main function. Control S, saving it, and now you go to debug, build solution. We have build, see if there's any errors. Mine's going slow right now because I have everything running. Okay, so you should have one succeeded. If it fails, say like syntax error. So if I missed that, push F7. See one failed, and this is how we can fix it. So it says right here when I click it, it says syntax error missing error, and it's missing that before identified race. So if I go what did I do? I don't remember. What the fuck? Oh, I'm stupid. I don't know why. This is why it confuses me. It shows it's right here, but it's right here though. You see, I don't get that. Okay, so if I delete it here and push F7, now it's telling me it's gonna be down there. Okay, that's screwed up, but if you do get a syntax error, it's usually a logical error, which is like these, or you forgot to close that off. So yeah, so S and push F7 one more time, make sure succeeded, and then yes, and then go start debugging. Okay, so into the current weekly pay, we're gonna put 12, and into a raise rate, we put 8. Right? The hell? It seriously just closed on me? One. Okay. That is very strange. Oh, because I need to debug without. Okay, I have no. Because I should debug without. Okay, it said the code for a second, and then it closed it out. But let me be right back. Oops. Okay, yeah, I found it. Because Visual C++ 10 doesn't have that. You have to turn that on. See, I have it now. So all you gotta do is go to your tools, customize, go to your commands, go to your debug. I see it's right there. I added it, but let me just remove it. Okay, so all you do is just add a command, go to debug, scroll down, so start debugging. Push OK, should be there, close. And then you're going to start without debugging. We're going to put 10, 10, and there it goes. New pace is 110. And I forgot to space this off. Build solution. Okay, so 11 equals 132. There you guys have it for that code. Alright, so one more code that we'll do actually next time. I promise you I will do it. The code I'll do will describe the same stuff I'm doing. Yep, so thanks for watching the tutorial of C++ programming. Basic one, I guess. I don't know. Please leave a comment. Please subscribe, like, and share this video if you think it was helpful. Alright? If I do not upload the video in the following week of this upload video, then message me, comment, or send me a private message saying, because I might forget, I might tell you why I'm busy, so you don't like think I died or give up on this like I did other ones. But actually I enjoy this because it's very fun. It's very easy, simple. Okay, and a lot of app programmers, like Flappy Birds, in other big industry like Clash Clans use C++. So yeah, please stay tuned for the next video. It will be up shortly, and hit that and stay bossy. See you later, guys.